Hi everyone, welcome to Cambridge Clinical. Today, we will be refreshing our knowledge on interest questions. Interest questions are very common in the UCAT exam. Give it some time and practice, soon these questions will fear you. To begin, please pause, read and attempt this question. When you're ready, press play. Interest calculations frequently come up in the UCAT quantitative reasoning exam. To tackle these questions, your foundations must be solid. Let's begin first with simple interest. Simple interest is only paid on the original amount of money. The formula for simple interest is simply principal multiplied by the interest rate by the time period. In this case, the principal is the initial borrowing money or saving amount. Let's test this concept with a practice question. Attempt this question first by pausing the video, and when you're ready, press play to resume. From this question, we can identify the principal to be £2,000. The interest rate here is 6%. 6% expressed as a decimal is 0.06, and the time period here is 4 years. Thus, the total interest can be calculated by multiplying £2,000 by 0.06 by 4. The total interest is thus £480. Compound interest is the interest paid on both the original amount of money and any interest that has been already added. Each time interest is added, the amount of the next interest increases too. The formula for compound interest is a little bit trickier than simple interest, but is nothing that you cannot handle. Here, the final amount equals the principal amount multiplied by 1 plus the interest rate, all raised to the power of the time period. Let us use a practice question to solidify this concept. Pause the video here to attempt this question, and when you're ready, press play to resume. Emma invests principal sum of £5,000. The interest rate here is 7%, and the time period is 4 years. Thus, using the compound interest equation, we can see that Emma's investment will be worth £6,553.98p by the end of the 4 years investment period. Emma has clearly made a great financial decision. So now, you've seen how to break down simple interest and compound interest questions step by step. Hopefully, you now feel more confident tackling these kind of questions in the UCAT exam.